So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Tech Viper. So today in this video we will see how to create this infinite auto scroll photo carousel using Figma. But before that I want you guys to please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified with all the updates. So without wasting time, let's see how to create this. So you can see we are inside the Figma project now. So first of all we will drop a frame by pressing A on our keyboard, and from here we will select MacBook Air. Why? Because I am using MacBook Air. Now I will turn its color to black. Perfect. Now I need photos, right? And for that I need a frame. I will press A on our keyboard and I will select something like this. I will duplicate it 6 times. Let's keep it 5 times. We will select all. Go over here, and from the plugins and widgets I will select Unsplash. From here I am selecting, going to presets, I am selecting spaces. So you can see the photos popped over. Now by selecting all, by holding option, just duplicate all those. Perfect. It's looking great. Now select all and put it inside auto frame layout, and from here change it to 40. Perfect. Now I will right click on it and I will select frame selection, and I will bring it to this much. Perfect. Now I will select this whole frame and I will duplicate it. I will single click on it. Okay, see, I am inside the frame now, and by clicking over it, holding space and then holding shift, I will drag it like that. Both should align perfectly. If you find any issue, you can just bring in the ruler and you can just check it. Is it aligning perfectly or not? If it's not, you can just go over here in the same manner, clicking over it, holding space and shift. You can just align it perfectly. Now if you see, it's aligned perfectly. Perfect. Now select this one, clip content. Select this one, clip content. Perfect. Now select both. Go over here and click component set. Now we select this one, go to prototype. I will drag and connect it to this one. I will select it after delay, change it to 1 millisecond. Here I will change to Smart Animate. It will be linear and it will be 10,000 millisecond. Perfect. Now I will select this one and connect it to this one. It will be after delay, same 1 millisecond. But here we will change it to instant. Now if I go over here, I will drag and drop it over here. I will go to designs, I will just align it perfectly. Now if I click over it, see, something like this will pop up, which is infinite. It will keep scrolling infinitely. It won't stop. So I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please do subscribe my channel and support me. And also if you have anything to ask, any questions, any doubts, you can just drop those things in the comment section. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next video.